Hi there, and welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we'll be discussing sort keys and how to change them in WordPress. Sort keys are random pieces of data used to add complexity to the encryption process. And they are often stored in the WordPress configuration file, that's the wp config or PHP file. And WordPress uses this key to encrypt and decrypt information stored in users' cookies, such as login credentials. So by regularly changing sort keys, you can enhance the security of your WordPress website. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your sort keys using two methods. The first method will be using a plugin. So to proceed, we're going to come right to the plugin section, and then we are going to click on Add New. So we're going to install this Sort Shaker plugin. Click on Install now. Next, you click on Activate. So on this next screen, we can just skip this. So from here, we can see that a new sort key has been generated for our WordPress website. WordPress sort keys or security keys are codes that help protect important information on your website. They make it harder for hackers to access your website by making passwords more complex. So that's the first method to change your WordPress sort keys. If you come right here, you can set the interval with which you want the sort key to generate. For example, you can set daily. You can set it to generate new sort keys weekly, monthly, and so on. So that's how to go about it using a plugin. For the second method, you need to come to your browser and search for. So we just copy the sort key that is generated, and then we come back to the Add Plugin section on our website. So once the File Manager plugin is installed, we are going to activate. So the next thing will be to come to the WP File Manager menu. And from our WordPress directory, we are going to find the WP config file, which is this. We right click and then select code editor to edit the file. So from here, we can define the sort keys on the page, which is this. So all we have to do is to replace this value with the ones that we copied from the WordPress website. So once you have done that, you can just go ahead and save and close. So each and every time you generate a new sort key, you are logged out of your website, and all you have to do is log back in to the site. So that's the process of creating new sort keys on your WordPress website. This process is especially useful if your website was recently compromised. So one of the ways that you can fortify your website is to add a new sort key to your site after the site has been recovered from any compromise or hack. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.